It's my last full day in Maine on this adventure. And yes, the wind has finally died down enough for me to fly my drone. What is this Echo? Haven't seen too much of him. He's kind of slowed down a bit from where he was last year. How you doing, Echo? Like your nice orange collar. What's up, huh? What's up? Good boy, huh? Here I am at the parking lot at Leisure Life. Trying to decide what I want to do next. Coming up on a weekend wasn't one of the best ideas I've had, I have to admit. Every parking lot that I want to get into has been full. So that hasn't worked out so well. So I haven't done a lot today again. Here we are at the Moosehead Lake Visitor Center. It's of course closed on Sundays, this time of year anyway. But they have the replica fire tower here. It's kind of neat to go up into. Again, closed today. Not very accessible anyway because of all the snow. It's kind of a neat place there. They got some antique radios and stuff in there. Equipment they would have had up in the towers. And I believe that's a replica shack of the place that the Ranger would have lived in, if I'm not mistaken. Interesting little place to visit. I'll have to come back again in the warmer weather to get a tour inside the fire tower again with the camera. Nice little place, nice little old snowmobile up there with like some trail grooming equipment on it. And that sort of stuff. I was tempted to put my snowshoes on and go for a little hike around here. Nice mountains off in the background too. Quiet little place though, other than the traffic going by constantly. And they go by fast too, unfortunately. Look at that, I found a long little stretch of dry pavement to park my truck on, so I know I'll be able to move again when I'm ready to go. Anyway. Oh well. Times I've been up to Moosehead, I didn't know there was a Greenville multi-use trail here. It's most interesting. Obviously it's being used for snowmobiles right now. So I'm not going to spend any time on it today, but come back in nicer weather here, I'm going to explore that trail. And that finishes my last full day. I wrapped up the trip by visiting a couple places I hadn't yet made it to, and got the drone up in the air. A couple times. I spent the rest of the night packing and getting ready for the last part of this adventure, the drive home. The truck is all loaded. Room's packed up, cleaned up, made sure everything is out of the room. I'll go check out with the owners of the place here, and then I'm going to head home. So, time to say goodbye to paradise, I guess. And to go back to warmer temperatures, too. I understand the temperatures are going to be up around 60 at home later this week, so should be interesting. Anyway, alright, let's go check out. Well, we're off. Heading back home. Let's look at those beautiful mountains over the other side of the lake there, Moosehead Lake. I miss this place, but sounds like I might be back in a couple of months. That should be good. Section here. Alright. Onward. Ways to go. 100 miles yet. Anyway, it was a fun trip. I wish I had my snowmobile with me. Ran into a few problems along the way, like getting into parking lots was a challenge. Coming on a busy weekend like this, not one of the better ideas. But it was fun anyway. Next time I come up here, next time I come up here in the winter time, will definitely be with the snowmobile though. It'll be all set and ready to go. Road tested, guaranteed working and everything else, and I'll be a lot more comfortable riding it too. So we'll get out there and we'll have some fun with it. But in the meantime, that's still another year away. So for now, time to head back home and get back to work again. Unfortunately, I need to make some money again. So. I've seen green flashing lights on the vehicle before. Sometimes I've come up and down roadways, it's the first. I've seen red, I've seen blue, but I've never seen green. That was neat looking. It was caught on the camera too. Anyway, I decided to take the 95 route home this time rather than the 295. Got a little distance onto the drive, just stopped at the rest area. It's about noon time. I'll be home by probably 2:30. I'm making really good time. I'm booking at home right now, so no problems at all. bridge over to New Hampshire. Maine and into New Hampshire right now. Almost home. 52 more miles to go. This adventure will be done. Chautauqua River Bridge. Here it is. Bye, Maine. Hello, New Hampshire. We're almost home. Just about back to Massachusetts now. And some of the new numbered exits too here. I'm getting used to exit 90. Not exit 90 last time I came through here. Like exit 59. Let's see what's it say. Yep. Old exit 60. There we go. Nope. Bye, New Hampshire. Hello, Massachusetts. It's the rougher road. Just about back home now. 36 more miles to go and we're going to be home. Oh, that would be nice. Let's see how screwy these exit numbers are now, shall we? I'm on the final stretch here. Just about home. Somebody's taken all my snow and replaced it with traffic. Oh, I don't belong in this area. I definitely belong up north. I hate all the crowds around here. I hate the lack of winter we get down this way. Yeah, we get some piles here where it was piled up, and oh, the rest of the snow is gone. We got like 3 feet of snowpack on the ground up north. That was just nothing. Man, I want all my snow back. But anyway, pulling up to the house now, so we are done with this adventure. So thanks for coming along. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you enjoyed watching. As usual, if you did enjoy it and you haven't done so already, please subscribe, give me a like, and leave a comment if you got anything to say. This adventure is over, so thanks for watching. And remember, slow down and enjoy life. Talk to you guys later.